Hello guys, here with another video, this time a DIY on an oil change. The tools you're gonna need for this job is a 24mm socket, 27mm socket, half-inch ratchet, half-inch extension, 3 liters of 5W30 oil, a funnel, and of course the oil filter. First step I always like to do when changing the oil is to loosen up the oil filler cap. That way the oil will drain a little bit faster. So you'll need to raise the car to get access to the drain plug, which is 24mm. Make sure you secure the car on jack stands, or in this case a lift. The oil filter is located at the left side of the engine, just beneath the exhaust manifold, as you can see here. And it's not a half bad idea to put some paper towels around the oil filter, because you will spill some oil, because the filter housing is mounted at an angle. So you loosen it with the 27mm socket right there. And just pull the old oil filter right out. And I like to always clean the threads and the surface where the O-ring sits. And I use a small pick or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the old O-ring off. Be really gentle with this. You do not want to gouge the surface. It's made out of plastic, so be careful. Never forget to coat the new O-ring with some new fresh oil. It's a very important step. No matter which car you're changing the oil on, always coat the O-ring or the seal with some oil. Otherwise you risk having leaks, and the next time you pull the oil filter out, it will probably be stuck. Make sure the O-ring is well seated into the groove, as I'm showing here. And I also like to clean the mating surface on the oil filter housing as well. And then just screw it in by hand first. And it gets torqued to 25 Newton meters. However, I do not use a torque wrench here. You just snug it up where it bottoms out, and then just a little bit more. And always replace the copper crush washer. The oil plug gets torqued to 35 Newton meters. And now it's just a matter of refilling the engine with some new oil. This engine takes around 3 liters of oil when you change the oil filter as well. So I'm starting off with 2.5 liters of oil, and then I'm gonna start the car, make sure that I have oil pressure and that there is no oil leaks. And when the oil has circulated all around the engine, you shut it off, wait a couple of minutes, and then recheck the oil level again, as you will see. So no oil leaks, so that's fine. Now after you've waited a couple of minutes, just refill it with the remaining oil until it shows on the max marking on the oil dipstick. And then you're all done. Thanks for watching.